Hey, it's Dustin from PaddleBoss, and today I want to have a real conversation with you about your pickleball game and the frustration that you're feeling from being stuck at the 3.0/3.5 level. This isn't a highlight reel. This isn't another 5 things you can do on the court. I want to talk to you about something much deeper. I want to talk to you about you and the gap that you feel between the player that you are today and the player that you know deep down you could be. So if you know that you're capable of advanced level 4.0 pickleball or higher, but you're struggling to get there on your own, you're going to want to stick around for this courtside chat. Before we jump in, would you do me a quick favor and just hit that subscribe button? We make these training videos to help players like you finally play confident, advanced pickleball, and hitting the subscribe tells YouTube this is the kind of training that I want more of. And later in the video, I'm going to tell you how you could win one of our paddles, the Spin Boss Pro, completely free. So let's get into it. I talk to 3.0/3.5 players all over the country almost every day. And the thing I hear nearly every single time is, I play multiple times a week, but I feel like I'm stuck. And I always ask, why does this matter to you? Because on the surface, you're having fun, you're out there with your friends, you're active, but every time I ask the question, I hear some version of the same answer. I know I'm capable of more, and I'd have way more fun if I was playing my best. And I get it, because nobody enjoys feeling like the weakest link. Nobody wants to be targeted because the opponents know that they can pick on you. And nobody wants to experience that feeling when your partner sighs under their breath after you pop up another dink, and you feel like you've let them down again. And let's be honest, you want to be invited to play with the stronger group, not because of ego, but because it's more fun. Because you want to feel respected on the court. Because you don't want to watch other players pass you by. You want to play at the level that you know that you can. And that feeling, that gap between where you are now and where you know that you should be, is what this entire video is about. And I'm actually curious, what's the most frustrating part of your pickleball game right now? Let me know in the comments section below. Because if you want to improve in pickleball or violin or golf or anything, there's 3 things that you absolutely must have. I call them the 3 S's of success. It's kind of like the 3 legs of the chair that I'm sitting on right now. With all 3, I can sit here comfortably, but even if one of these was missing from your training experience, you're going to feel stuck, confused, inconsistent, and frustrated. The 3 S's are school, system, and support. And once you understand these, you'll finally understand why you've been stuck and exactly what to do to become unstuck and feel proud of your play, because you know that you're playing your best. So let's break these down one by one. First is school. This is your training. This includes YouTube videos, weekend clinics, private lessons, online courses, and listen, training is a really important piece of your pickleball improvement. But here's the trap. Most players have a chaotic approach to learning. They collect more information, and more information, and more information. And they think the next video, or the next clinic, or the next tip from a pro is going to fix their game. But think about it like this. Imagine you're back in college. I know, it's kind of a frightening thought. And you're in a giant university library. You're there to gather information so you can write a research paper on the War of 1812. The library has 94 books on the topic. You could literally bury yourself in information, spending a full day just deciding which books will help you on your paper, and then you have to actually read those books, figure out which information from those books can help you write your paper, and then you actually have to write your paper. Sounds daunting, but that's what pickleball training looks like for most players. There's unlimited pickleball content out there, thousands of videos, and just like the library, some get to the point quickly, others don't. Some are confusing, some contradict each other, and the whole time you're wondering, is this what I should be focusing on? Does it even apply to me? Am I spending time on the things that will actually move the needle, or am I just getting lost in the noise? Just thinking about the library brings back nightmares from my college experience. Now my son Xavier's in college, and the internet and AI has changed the game. I wonder if anyone even uses the library anymore, when you can just prompt the AI for specific information that you want to get access to, and you'll get it right away. No wasted hours waiting through the infinite black hole of information that may or may not be helpful to your desired outcome. Yet, this is still the approach that most players take when it comes to their pickleball improvement. See, training without a plan doesn't make you better. It just keeps you busy, buried in a sea of information. And that's what so many players feel like when they're working hard without seeing any real progress. Specific training focused on a specific result, and the quickest path to get there is what you really need. But training is only the first leg. And if it's the only leg that you have, improvement feels random and slow. This is where most players hit the wall. They have access to the training, but they don't have the second leg, which is a system. A system is a step-by-step plan, a clear destination, specific drills for your skill level, a roadmap built for your goals, objective ways to track your progress, and a way to turn knowledge into execution. Without a system, You're always feeling unsure. What should I focus on to reach my goals? Am I on the right path? Is what I'm doing a waste of time? Let me give you an analogy. Imagine you want to drive from Los Angeles to New York. The school gives you a car, but the system is your direction, your GPS guide to get you to your desired destination. You wouldn't just start driving east hoping that you'll end up in Manhattan, but that's how most players approach their improvement. They just hit the courts and hope magically they're going to get better. They drive in circles thinking more and more training is the key. The right training is important to reaching your goals, but it's the system that gives you direction on how to use the training to see real life results. A system cuts out the fluff, eliminates conflicting information, tells you exactly what to work on, and guarantees that every hour on the court moves you towards becoming an advanced pickleball player. This is why so many players go to a weekend clinic with a pro, have fun, learn a ton, and then nothing changes. Because it's drinking from a fire hose with no follow-up and no plan to implement the information. And honestly, the lack of a system is one of the main reasons players stay stuck at the 3.0-3.5 level. Not because they lack talent, not because they're too old, not because they aren't athletic enough, it's because they're missing the roadmap. And speaking of roadmaps, we've created a free roadmap that walks you through our approach to help 3.0-3.5 players get to 4.0 and beyond. It's called the 7 Steps to Advanced Pickleball, and you can download it free by using the link down in the description. And if you want a clear blueprint of what to focus on, this is a great resource. And if one free thing wasn't enough for you, when you download the roadmap, you'll actually be entered into a drawing to get our signature paddle, the SpinBoss Pro, for free as well. Sounds like a win-win. So click below and download the roadmap. Now let's talk about the third leg of the stool, which is support. This is where real transformation happens because, let's be honest, improving by yourself is hard. Trying to fix your own technique without expert analysis, trying to guess whether you're doing a drill right, trying to stay consistent week after week, that's not just hard on your own, it can actually be a waste of time. And your time is valuable, right? And one of the biggest reasons players never reach 4.0 is because they try to do everything alone. And maybe it's not even by choice. Most people don't have an outlet to ask questions or have someone check on their form and give you feedback. Most people don't have accountability to stick to the plan or a group to celebrate wins with. Maybe that's you, and you recognize that the lack of support, feedback, and accountability shows up in your game as inconsistency, bad habits, and slow progress because you're not getting the feedback and support that you need. But when you have support, real support, suddenly things change. You start actually implementing what you learn. You stay on track. You don't quit halfway through. You see measurable progress week after week, and you gain confidence you've never had before. You combine focused strategic training, a step-by-step system, and the coaching, accountability, and community to support you along the way. That's when a 3.0-3.5 player finally is able to break through and become a confident and respected 4.0 player in no time. And this is exactly why and how we designed the 4.0 Accelerator. If you're watching this and thinking, wow, that's literally my situation, then I want to invite you into something special. The 4.0 Accelerator is the only pickleball coaching program that I know of that combines a full school of advanced pickleball training, a proven system designed specifically to take 3.0-3.5 players to the 4.0 skill level, and the support needed to help you through the process. And it's the only program that I'm aware of that comes with a results guarantee because we built the program with the end result in mind, not just random pickleball training. You need a finish line, not a moving target. This isn't hundreds of hours of training giving you everything that you need to know about the game of pickleball. If you want to waste your time with hundreds of hours, you can stay right here on YouTube. Instead, it's a step-by-step process with training and support to only give you exactly what you need to reach your full potential as quickly as possible, without the fluff. No more wasted hours aimlessly trying to get better on your own. But here's the truth, the program isn't for everybody. It's specifically for players who are frustrated from being stuck at the 3.0-3.5 level, who want to stop feeling like the weakest link on the court, who want to play confident, advanced pickleball, want to earn the respect of higher level players so they can get invited to play with higher level groups, want to reach their full potential, and most importantly, are willing to put in the work. If this sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, then we'd love to talk with you and see if you're a good fit. All you have to do is book a Zoom call using the link down in the description of this video. Pick a time that works for you, show up, and we'll learn about your pickleball experience, pinpoint what's holding you back, and decide together if the 4.0 Accelerator is your best path to reaching your goals. If it's not, we'll be honest and let you know that too. But seriously, our time is limited, so please only book a call if you're serious about reaching the 4.0 skill level and you feel that our approach is exactly what you need to get there. The link is in the description. Click it to schedule a call, and we look forward to meeting with you soon.